Aesthetic beauty. Flowers enhance the visual appeal of your garden. Gardening can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Flowers can uplift your mood and increase happiness. Gardening fosters a deeper connection to the natural world. Designing flower beds allows for creative expression. Gardening provides physical activity and exercise. Beginners can acquire valuable gardening knowledge. Flowers attract pollinators and beneficial insects. Flowering plants support declining bee populations. You can practice eco-friendly gardening methods. Different flowers bloom throughout the year, providing variety. Gardening can be a social activity, fostering community bonds. You can grow organic flowers without harmful chemicals. Many flowers emit delightful scents, enhancing the garden experience. Plants release oxygen and purify the air. Gardens offer refuge for birds, butterflies, and small animals. Flower gardening can be therapeutic for mental health. A well-maintained garden can boost home value. Gardening can be a fun family activity for all ages. Flower gardening is a sustainable and rewarding hobby.